Hello, and welcome back to Cardano Coin, where we bring you the most recent and intriguing ADA news. We're giving away 1,000 ADA to those who are watching. All you have to do is upvote, subscribe, comment Cardano is king, and watch the video to the end to be eligible. The winners will be picked next month and publicized on the community page of the channel. The Cardano network is about to see its heyday. Cardano ADA has been developing authentic, long-lasting stories despite market weakness that could provide as inspiration for a prospective comeback. ADA's recovery won't be based solely on conjecture. Rather, it will be based on the sound principles of the Cardano network, which is continually developing and improving its blockchain. Due to the current market crisis, the ADA price, which was much higher during the last bull run, had a dramatic plunge back to the lower end. $20 was the rumor that surfaced as Cardano got closer to its eagerly awaited vessel hard fork. Since the upgrade was successful, cryptocurrency specialist Michael Van Depop predicted that the price of the ADA coin would hit $1, but regrettably, it still appears to be extremely weak. Another crypto analyst came to Cardano's aid by offering convincing justifications for why Cardano will ultimately succeed. He said that institutional investors have been weak in Cardano, and noted that when cryptocurrency regains its former grandeur, large investors will look at the successful upgrades and become enthralled. His viewpoint may sound emotional, but there have been significant developments that support it. A Cardano specialty Twitter account, ADA Will, has gone ahead to make astounding predictions of what might happen on the network. In early October, Cardano founder Charles Hoskinson said that hundreds of projects are coming for the cryptocurrency. The conclusion of the bear market. In the upcoming bull run, Cardano will likely be the greatest DeFi trading platform, according to a DEA. Additionally, Cardano is the largest book on the FDA platform and is supported by well-known publishing companies. ADA will continue to feel confident in making such predictions, despite Cardano also having a rapidly expanding mobile network, the largest DID project, and testing that it has survived both bulls and bears markets. Cardano has kept his place among the top 10 cryptocurrencies by market value, indicating success in both the bull and bear markets of 2021 and 2022. It was somewhat predicted when Dan Carbondale, the founder of the Crypto Capital Initiative, noted that many people seem to be abandoning up on cryptocurrencies, particularly Cardano. Even though the season offers additional opportunities, he emphasized that this social attitude data point needs to be taken into account. This was especially significant because the lows of the bear market were comparable to the negative sentiment at the time. Carbondale has previously stated that the bear market might be nearing its end and that Cardano will prosper in the upcoming bull market. But it's still unclear exactly when the next bull market will occur. In addition to NFT and metaverse development, stimulus packages also played a role in the last bull run. Institutional acceptance, non-gated payment options, and Web3 development could be the forces behind demand. The crypto space has been in a depressing period for the past few months, and nothing has yet shown a significant change in this trend. It has occasionally been asserted, and it is true, that the present bear market hits so differently, but speculating on what will fuel the next crypto bull run is simple when looking ahead. The end of the Federal Reserve's monetary tightening policy is one of the most frequently touted catalysts that might provide cryptocurrency and other risk assets a significant boost. In order to combat the rising inflation, the Fed is currently hiking interest rates. Sooner rather than later. The Fed must reverse course and abandon its monetary tightening strategy. When it does, most of the downward pressure holding risk assets like cryptocurrencies depressed should be released. Most often, adoption is what drives cryptocurrency bull runs, and services like Robinhood's new wallet may be the key to bringing in the next wave of consumers. Due to its fixed quantity of 21 million coins and status as digital gold. Investors began to recognize Bitcoin as a hard currency prior to the current financial crisis. Hedge fund managers Paul Tudor Jones and Stanley Druckenmiller shared similar opinions in a September CNBC interview. According to Druckenmiller, if faith in central banks wanes, cryptocurrency may have a revival. Jones added that the value of cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin or Ethereum might increase significantly in the future as a result of their scarcity. The year 2022 saw a sharp decrease in the cryptocurrency market for seasonal investors as well. This is the ideal time to invest in digital before the market launches another bull run. Meanwhile, it is understandable that many retail investors no longer have an interest in digital tokens and its sister altcoins given the sharp decrease in the price of Bitcoin. The CEO of CryptoQuantiQ, Yang Zhu, has identified a fresh sign to watch for to identify the parabolic bull run in Bitcoin. The analysts claim in a tweet that the bull run may start when a significant amount of the dollar-pegged stable coin enters markets. Based on the information he provided, 94s of the USDC in circulation is not traded on any exchanges. Traditional financial organizations like BlackRock, Fidelity, and Goldman Sachs, among others, possess the majority of this supply. Keep in mind that if clients of these institutions place orders for USD to be deployed, the market will receive distribution of the off-exchange tokens, which is likely to lead to a bull movement. In a subsequent tweet, he emphasized how native stable coins like BUSD and UST have continued to flow freely onto exchanges, in contrast to institutional investors' preferred USDC crypto. With 70s of the supply on exchanges, USD prices have been rising. Despite the market downturn, this could be a sign that cryptocurrency native assets are starting to accumulate some coins. The researchers emphasize that old Bitcoins now make up 74 of the realized market valuation, indicating that investors had been stockpiling and waiting for the price to decline. Another chain measure that indicates high investor confidence is the hash rate of Bitcoin. These point to the impending bull run and a promising future for cryptocurrencies in general and Cardano in particular. Next, when Charles Hoskinson addressed Elon Musk on how to create a decentralized Twitter, many people paid attention because of his active social media presence and sustained engagement with the community. The Tesla CEO was pushed by Hoskinson's proposal to take into account a decentralized redesign of the decentralized platform using Cardano. This assertion was made in light of growing worries about censorship. Elon Musk has also been working to develop a more effective monetization plan for the recently purchased social media platforms. Videos showing Elon how to create a decentralized Twitter utilizing Cardano and Doge for both business and pleasure. He tweeted the suggestion from Charles Hoskinson, along with a link to the video outlining possibilities for monetizing the platform through the use of economic agencies and prediction markets. The Cardano CEO further advised using cryptocurrencies to monetize Twitter, in addition to his suggestion that tweets be converted into NFTs. History has shown that Elon Musk frequently welcomes concepts that are regarded as being outlandish or having a wider application than imagined. It may therefore depend on his choice and how ADA fits into the puzzle as to whether Cardano will be the next bull run. It wouldn't be surprising to see Hoskinson's remarkable concept adopted by the Tesla CEO. The possible benefits of a relationship between Twitter and Cardano include the foundation for a more comprehensive utility for ADA as the prospective transaction medium. A tremendous wave of ADA demand would undoubtedly result from such adoption, but given the price movement of ADA, the market would not react well to Hoskinson's idea. The downside of Cardano has shown a minor decline in this development activity. Additionally, a substantial decline in his velocity was detected, indicating that the bullish momentum that had been there at the start of the month was waning. Other measures supported the idea that the recent trend was slowing down. For instance, over the last few days, there has been a general decline in Cardano's daily active addresses. Similar findings were also seen in the transaction volume, which peaked between November 6 and November 7. The increase may be a sign that bullish demand was returning. So, Elon Musk had good things to say about Hoskinson. His suggestion would be a wise move for Cardano and would result in a bull run for ADA. Cardano should continue using the cards in his hand while waiting until that time. According to a number of publications, energy dealers are gradually switching from the Solana blockchain to Cardano. The data on the Cardano network look more inviting and are sufficient to persuade a T dealer even if Solana still has strong numbers. Cardano gets 8 points in the crypto rank for dominance, making it the second largest proof of stake blockchain in terms of staking market cap in terms of money, after a far greater margin, but by a far greater margin. $12 billion worth of ADA tokens. The stake ratio is 71 points and equally amazing. Only the BE chain in the ICEP can compete with Cardano, which makes up 63 of the circulating ADA offering. After the death tax crash, the quantity of fresh addresses on the ADA network substantially increased, giving me an advantage over competing blockchains like Solana. A bull run may send the market, which is already experiencing a severe recession as a result of the project's domino consequences, soaring to new highs. Of course, what do you think about this? Comment below with your thoughts and let us know. We'll see you in the next video. But in the meantime, check out our other content to see how Cardano is fulfilling his ambition to slay the Ethereum. Be careful to always click the subscribe and notification buttons.